Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In order to perform many file management activities within File Explorer, you must first learn how to select files. You can select a single file in File Explorer by clicking it once. It will then be highlighted. The highlight indicates that the file is selected. When a file is selected, it has the focus of the Windows application, and any commands that you subsequently perform will be applied to the selected file only. To deselect a selection that you have made, click into the blank or empty area within the right pane shown in File Explorer. You can also select multiple files simultaneously. How you do this depends on how the files are arranged within the right pane of the File Explorer window. If the files are non-adjacent, meaning that they are not next to each other, then select the first file within the window as normal. Then press and hold down the Control key on your keyboard while you click on any other files that you want to select them as well as retain the selection of the initially selected file. You can then release the Control key after you have selected all of the necessary files. Now, if the files are adjacent, meaning that they are located next to each other, then you can simply click on the first file to select it. Then press and hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the last file that you want to select. All of the files, including and between the first and last files that you clicked, should be selected. You can then release the Shift key when you're finished. Another way to select adjacent files is to use a selection marquee. To do this, click and drag starting in the blank area that is adjacent to the file or files that you want to select. As you click and drag with the mouse pointer, you will see a light blue selection marquee appear. Continue to click and drag the selection marquee over the files that you want to select. Any file touched by the selection marquee will be selected within the window. Release the mouse pointer once the files you desire have been selected. You can also make use of the selection tools shown within the Home tab of the ribbon in File Explorer to make file and folder selections. You can click the Select All button in the Select button group on the Home tab in the ribbon to select all items displayed in the right pane of the File Explorer window. The keyboard shortcut to perform this same action is pressing Ctrl plus the A key on your keyboard. You can click the Select None button in the Select button group on the Home tab in the ribbon to cancel any selections that you have made within the File Explorer. This corresponds to clicking into the empty or blank area within the File Explorer window. Finally, you can click the Invert Selection button within the Select button group on the Home tab in the ribbon to invert your current selection. Doing this will select all non-selected files and deselect all selected files within the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.